Hi, I'm Stacy Parker, Director of Elementary Mathematics. What is problem solving? According to Psychology of Learning and Motivation, problem solving is a higher order cognitive process that usually relies on many sub-processes to be successful. In general terms, problem solving indicates the processes one would use to try and understand a problem that poses a challenge, make a plan, take action, and then analyze results for effectiveness. This applies to every facet of life. So, how can we apply this in mathematics? Processing Standard 1B says, use a problem-solving model that incorporates analyzing given information, formulating a plan or strategy, determining a solution, justifying the solution, and evaluating the problem-solving process and the reasonableness of the solution. In math, some problems ask students to solve by identifying and formulating an equation to solve. Yet, other problems ask students to identify an appropriate representation based on the data provided, or give the example of what is not an appropriate representation based on the data provided in the problem. There are many problem-solving mnemonics created to help students remember these processes. UPS, cubes, or RISE are examples of a few. But we must be careful in teaching problem-solving steps solely through the mnemonics so that we avoid teaching them as rote practices. In this video, we will identify some best practices that focuses on the first step of many problem-solving models, which is to analyze given information in order to understand the problem. Understanding the problem. In daily classroom practices, giving students opportunities to practice and reinforce the language, as well as participate in collaborative problem-solving activities, will strengthen the students' ability to use skills in comprehending the word problem. Also, there are some key questions teachers may ask daily to help prompt students to analyze the given information in a problem. These questions and a matching skill include: 1. Do you understand all the words used in stating the problem? If no, what can help? Here, teachers, the skill to reinforce is the use of context clues and classroom use of dictionary or vocabulary activities such as the Frayer model. 2. Can you relate to the problem? Does it remind you of something in your own life or something you've seen or know about? A skill here would be the use of real-world examples and practices in the classroom daily. For English language learners, here would be a good strategy to use visualization so that students will visualize the action of the problem that is occurring. Another skill to practice visualization is to have the students to describe the action of the problem in collaborative conversational groups. 3. Can you state the problem in your own words? The skill here is simply paraphrasing. 4. What information do you obtain from the problem? The skill, paraphrasing, but also writing out as you need. The literary skill here is stop and jot. 5. What are the unknowns? What information, if any, is missing or not needed? The skill to use to reinforce this action in the classroom is the use of bar models. Bar models are models such as the part whole. And lastly, can you think of a picture or a diagram that might help you understand the problem? The skill is to have students draw a picture or models to help them represent the problem as they're solving. What I just covered with you are a few of the skills and questions that you could utilize in the classroom to reinforce the problem-solving model step 1, understanding the problem. To learn more about this step and the other steps in the problem-solving model, please join us Tuesday, March 27th at the PDC at 4 p.m. Room numbers will be announced. Thank you.